Let's jump right into this explainer where we're going to completely break down the heavy-duty PUVASIA Oversized camping chair. We'll be looking at its physical benefits, some really cool hidden conveniences, and a few surprising eco-certifications. Seriously, if you've ever found yourself struggling with those flimsy, uncomfortable outdoor camp chairs that barely survive a single season, you're definitely going to want to stick around. We're going to see exactly how this specific chair was engineered to solve all those common outdoor frustrations.
To give you an idea of the hype, this exact chair saw over 2,000 purchases in just the past month alone. I mean, that number is absolutely staggering for camping furniture. It immediately establishes some serious social proof among campers, hikers, and sports spectators. When a product is moving volume like that, it's a huge indicator that it's solving a real problem for a whole lot of people out there.
Okay, moving into Section 1, the foundation of strength, engineering for 500 pounds.
So the real secret to that massive 500-pound weight capacity lies in its newly upgraded reinforced X-shaped steel construction. The manufacturer didn't just go with standard metal here. They actually utilized 22mm thickened tubes. This guarantees long-lasting durability, and it's paired with an anti-rust coating to protect all that steel from the elements. Plus, check out those reinforced anti-sink textured feet. That little detail is an absolute game changer because it stops you from wobbling or sinking, whether you're chilling on a sandy beach, a rocky trail, or a super muddy campsite.
Now, beyond that heavy-duty metal frame, the seating material itself is just as robust. They went with a heavy-duty 600D Oxford fabric. This stuff is specifically engineered to be tear-resistant, so it's going to last you a really long time, even if you're rough on your gear. But the best part? It's highly breathable. With reinforced stitching to completely stop any fraying, it gives you true all-season comfort. It'll stay nice and cool during the brutal summer heat, but it's tough enough for those chilly winter bonfires too.
All right, let's head into Section 2, maximizing comfort and storage. A launch chair in the wild.
This right here is all about that oversized ergonomic design. We're talking about an extra wide seating area measuring 38.6 by 23.1 inches. So instead of sitting on a tight, uncomfortable strip of nylon, this chair actually cradles your body with multi-layer high-density padding. Throw in the ergonomic lumbar and neck support, plus a specially padded headrest, and honestly, it feels way more like your favorite indoor recliner than a standard piece of camp seating. It's literally designed to keep you comfy for hours on end.
But you know, comfort isn't just about the padding. It's also about convenience. This chair features some incredibly smart integrated gear storage. You've got multiple mesh pockets on the side and the back, and a fully adjustable cup holder that can handle pretty much any drink size. But here is the kicker. It actually includes a large insulated cooler bag built right into the chair. That means your phone, snacks, and those ice-cold beverages are secure and literally an arm's length away. You honestly never have to get up to grab a cold drink again. How great is that?
Which brings us to Section 3, Pack Light, Go Anywhere. Heavy-duty build without the bulk.
Now here is where we see a truly remarkable engineering contrast. On one hand, you have a chair that can hold a massive quarter-ton of weight, 500 pounds. But on the other hand, it miraculously only weighs 12.9 pounds. It even folds down to a super compact 9.4 inches thick. It's this crazy lightweight feel paired with absolute heavyweight strength, meaning you finally get premium comfort without having to lug around the exhausting bulk that usually comes with heavy-duty gear.
And deployment? It is incredibly efficient. It breaks down into 3 super simple steps. You just pull it out of the compact carry bag, unfold that reinforced X-shaped frame, and boom, you're done. The whole process takes a mere 3 seconds to go from a packed bag to a fully ready campsite or tailgate seat. I mean, we've all been there. That quick setup is an absolute lifesaver when you've just rolled into camp after a really long, exhausting drive.
Okay, let's look at Section 4, the sustainability factor, eco-conscious certifications. So a really cool hidden feature here is that the chair carries the Global Recycled Standard certification, which you'll often hear called GRS. This is an independent verification that's actively tracked by the trusted certification body Intertek. It basically ensures that the product meets incredibly strict social, environmental, and chemical requirements at every single stage of the supply chain, all the way from the raw source material right down to the final chair you sit in.
And breaking down what that certification actually means for you is fascinating. It means this chair contains at least 50% recycled material. It means it's made with safer chemicals to protect both human health and the environment. And even better, it guarantees it was manufactured in facilities that actively protect worker rights and health. Because of these rigorous standards, it even qualifies for the Climate Pledge Friendly program. So your purchase is directly supporting verified sustainable and ethical practices, which, let's be honest, is a pretty rare and fantastic thing to see in the outdoor furniture market today.
All of this perfectly encapsulates PUVASIA's core motto, where comfort meets adventure. And they back that whole idea up with a solid 30-day refund or replacement policy, plus a super responsive 24-hour customer service team. Their overarching goal is clearly to empower you to get out there, make nature accessible, and actually enjoy it, without ever having to sacrifice the kind of comfort and stability you're used to having in your own living room. As we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with a quick question to think about. How does thoughtful engineering and verified sustainable design actually change the way you interact with the great outdoors? Just think about how investing in durable, eco-conscious gear like this might completely elevate your next camping trip, tailgate, or honestly, just a sunny afternoon in your own backyard. When you don't have to stress about your chair breaking or your drinks getting warm, you can finally just focus on the adventure right in front of you. Thanks so much for joining me today, and keep exploring.